seeing a lot of your statuses saying how sad it is. It's so sad, the poor lion, that innocent lion. But tell me this, is it more sad than a 12-year-old boy getting gunned down by the cops within 3 seconds of arrival from playing with a toy gun? Is it more sad than that? Is it more sad than that? Is it more sad than having to have the image of your father being chokeholded to death as he's saying, I can't breathe, I can't breathe? Is it more sad than that? Let me know, because I'm trying to figure out what the definition of some of your so sad and tragic is. I'm trying to figure out. Help me figure out. Is it more sad than that? Is it? Come on, is it? Oh, not Simba! Oh, great, Jim. Another angry black woman sits in her car and talks about all the injustices for all the black people in America. Actually, I'm not angry. Angry is the wrong word. I'm a little disgusted by a lot of maybe some of my Facebook friends. Yeah, I think it's disgusted. So if you do want to call me some type of black woman, you should call me disgusted, because y'all's actions or lack thereof has what? I'm disgusted, actually. I'm not angry. The problem with us is we see race. We are human race, okay? Let me give you guys a scenario, because I feel like every week it's like we have to give some of you scenarios to kind of understand why we're so annoyed or maybe angry, or why a lot of people are protesting. I'm gonna give you a scenario real quick. So, it's the last day on earth. Everyone's dead except me and Susie and a baby pig. We are hungry. We need food. Susie looks at me and says, we can't do it, but we can kill you and eat you up. That's how I'm feeling. Like, I get it. I get that animals are important and they're innocent and all lives matter. I get it. However, at the end of the day, we're one race, human race. We got to stick together. I know that. Do some of you guys know that? Some of my Facebook friends, do you guys know that? Okay. All right. Another scenario. You ready? Nala and Simba are walking down the street and they're super duper hungry and they see you or they see me. Is Nala gonna look at Simba and say, sorry, Simba, I'm gonna go ahead and eat you because that's an innocent human? And no, those lions are gonna rip you to shreds. Wanna know why? Because they band together, because they are the same. They are lions. Is this making sense? I'm trying to create scenarios so some of you guys, some of you people, let's just be real, you people, my Facebook friends that don't give a fuck. So for you guys to show more concern, compassion, and shed tears, you guys don't care about me or my sister or my brother. Y'all don't care. You care about a lion. That's really sad and disgusting, because lion don't give a fuck about you. The lion had 24 cubs. 24 cubs. I don't care. We are one race. One race. Human race. But you guys continue to see color. Is it more sad than the fact that 9 people lost their lives during Bible study? Is it more sad than that? Is it more sad than that? You guys are posting about a fucking lion that would eat you on sight. What about the people? We're all people. We don't even, y'all don't care. That's disgusting. I need some gum. I need some more gum because this one's out of taste because of the nasty taste you guys have put in my mouth. I need a fresh piece of gum. Peppermint, something. Basically, what this whole lion situation has showed me that if the apocalypse comes and I'm like left on earth with a, maybe a few white folk, I'd probably rather just shoot myself, because you guys would probably save the damn hippo running down the street over me, because you care more. You care more about animals and other things. Like, you care more. Tamir Rice is probably one of the worst. Like, watching that video over and over was so terrible. You don't know who he could have grown up to be. He could have grown up to be somebody amazing. He could have grown up to save your life. He could have grown up to be a paramedic or a doctor. What the fuck is the lion gonna do for you? Is the lion gonna tutor your kids? Give you a physical at the doctor's office? Is the lion going to bag your groceries? I'm just trying to understand what y'all's definition of sad is. And devastation. Y'all are a fucking joke. I woke up this morning, got on Facebook like millions of other people in the world, and I was seeing shit about a lion from all of my white friends. From a lot of my white friends, not all of them. White friends on Facebook. Now I'm cracking my knuckles. Because I'm so angry. I'm an angry black woman. No, I think I've already said I'm a little disgusted. Let me know in the comments how you feel about this damn lion. Simba has gone on up to heaven with his daddy. My white buddies are so sad. It's so sad. It's so sad. No, what's sad is you guys only care about what you want to care about. That's it. And that's really sad because we're one race. We're the human race. So you guys should start caring a little more because the end of times are probably near. And at that point, Judgment Day, it's not going to matter what color we are. Try to stay away from these topics because I tend to get very angry. I tend to become angry. Sorry, I just had to calm down because I'm just so angry. Share this video. Leave in the comments. Comment whatever you want. How you feel about the situation. How are you feeling? How do you feel when you look down your timeline and then have the same people who don't really give two shits and they smile in your face and they're your friends, but they don't really care about you? Leave comments. Share this video. And until next time, Godspeed.